Hey everyone, it's Pixel, and we are going to be making a nice, light but fun salad called broccoli bacon salad. And for that, you're going to need 2 crowns of broccoli, chopped up very small, about 1/4 of a cup of red onion, about 1/2 cup of bacon, diced up tiny, a whole cup of craisins, about 1/3 of a cup of sunflower seeds, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, about a teaspoon of lemon zest, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, which I have combined in one bowl here, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, a cup and a half of mayonnaise, and a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, dried mustard, and chili powder. Our broccoli is already in little tiny diced up chunks, bite-sized pieces, I could say. I'm going to add in our cup of cheese, bacon, sunflower seeds, our cranberries, and onion, and give it a good stir till it's all dressing. We'll take our cup and a half of mayonnaise, mix in our lemon and vinegar, and our sugar. Let me get that started on being combined well. After that's incorporated together, we'll put in lemon zest and our 4 spices. And that'll get mixed together one more time. Add it into our salad mixture, and this is going to get stirred together until it coats it evenly. And once it's stirred together, it's time to try it out. Okay, some of our salad is dished up. The best part's here. We're going to get everything we can in one bite and try it out. So, let's go. Gotta say, the salad has a lot of flavors going on, and they all complement each other beautifully. The cranberries give it a nice sweet little taste. The cheese gives it that, nice rustic flavor that you like and things. The salad dressing isn't too sweet, and you can taste the lemon in it, and it's all just sitting together very well. So, if you needed an extra easy side dish, this did not take long to make. It was really good. Probably not the healthiest salad you'll ever eat, but it's really tasty every once in a while, and pretty easy to make if you have to go to a gathering or something. Well, you know what to do. Tell me if you've made it. Tell me if you made something like it. Tell me if you think I did something wrong. Leave me a like. Leave me a comment. And I'm going to finish eating my salad and talk to you later.